What's going on, guys? It's Jeff with MarketWiz. I just want to do a little brief, like introduction quick before I get into the our newer technology for advertising mattress and furniture stores. Um, I've taken a little time off from the mattress and furniture business, and that's to work on some newer stuff that's come out the last 6 months, and that includes our ad posting system is now it's all AI based. We're the first company to have a ChatGPT-5 personal marketplace responder, which I I've had the technology out for a while, but I wanted to perfect it, and part of that is creating and coding the best scripts per like industry. So I've really mastered this mattress one at this point. And I'm gonna attach the video of it in a second, and then you'll get into that one, and you'll see how powerful this is for your business. And the main message of MarketWiz is that the best technology, cutting edge technology that is affordable enough that any business can basically use it. And we're pretty versatile in what we offer also, and they're very unique solutions. It's not like every other marketing agency. Oh, we'll run paid ads, that's it or something like that. These are our solutions. If you look through them on our website, they're stuff that no one has really. The way we do things. So we hope it works for your business, obviously. But you'll also see here. So we have all of our AI powered listing for marketplaces now. What really separates it is that you can give us all of your keywords, and we'll create all marketplace ads with AI that doesn't get flagged. So if a lot of people post a lot of ads, their account might get locked or whatever. That never happens to our accounts. We have zero accounts out of hundreds, if not thousands, that um, we have zero banned accounts currently. It's pretty wild. So using AI really, gets around all that stuff. Um, and we have the AI lead gen. We have 20 people that work here plus, so we've got a large team of account managers and techs and all sorts of people that make MarketWiz what it is. And we've got very specific products like a lot of real estate stuff, commercial real estate, retail, which is like autos, furniture, appliances, mattresses. Um, some things that no one has, like let's see something that nobody else has, like this right here. But Airbnb property management. So we do a lot of different things, but this video is going to be basically how um, this is just like a mattress demo essentially. So this is going to be everything mattresses that can help you basically, and the video that I'm attaching is going to run it's going to run through the whole code. So even if you're like, oh, I like doing this myself, that's you know what I mean. That's fine. So you can even like learn from it. You can watch it, and the reason why I'm doing a separate video is because I've already released general product release on YouTube, but I want to do like a specific one to target mattress store owners as well. So that's why I'm wasting time here talking to you, which is kind of funny. But I think we're good now that it's unique enough for YouTube, and I'm gonna attach the real video now. And if you have any questions, go to MarketWiz.ai. Talk soon. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jeff with MarketWiz. Jeff, I kind of pronounced that wrong, but so I've been doing this type of marketing for about 20 years now, especially in the marketplace type stuff. I started back with Craigslist 20 years ago, maybe like 25 years ago, honestly. But I've developed some pretty interesting ways to do marketing that most people
either it's too much work for them or a waste of time or they don't want to do it. But there's a lot of money to be made on the marketplaces, and people don't, maybe focus on it sometimes, or have thought about, doing some, like not, I wouldn't even call it automation, but different types on the marketplace. But I've got probably the best software setup, the best marketing system for, retail and mattress stores and furniture across the whole country, hands down. But I'm gonna get off the mic now and explain it to you. Not the mic, the camera. And explain it to you so you can see my whole screen. Okay. And I've worked with the top mattress and furniture companies across the country as well. And today I'm bringing to you the more advanced, like just the up to date version. We've had all this for 6 months, but um, just want to give you the kind of newest technology that we're using and how we use it. And you go and steal this yourself. I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. I mean, it'd be really hard to like copy the system anyway. But um, I just want to kind of show you how this works. Okay, so the main new thing that we have is Facebook Marketplace integration with AI. Now that's technically not um, supposed to happen or allowed, but we've created a bridge and we have it like running perfectly. And we've got the top scripts, the top data for mattress stores as well. And I'm not just talking here and like trying to brag. I'll show you the actual text and we could go through it. And I'll show you this whole thing, how it works, and pricing as well. And you're probably thinking like, I know a lot of agencies charge like, thousands a month, right? We charge a couple $100 per store. And you're probably thinking, oh, well, that's, that, that's okay for this type of system to respond every 60 seconds when, marketplace responses come in. But no, that our system just doesn't do that. The AI creates all the ads and post them for you and consistently renews and posts every single day. Plus, it does automatic responses every 60 seconds across every lead. And it just doesn't work for Facebook Marketplace. It works for Craigslist, OfferUp, like everything. So it's pretty cool, actually. I think so, and it's really inexpensive. And it literally at this point with AI, it pays for itself plus a couple thousand a month, right? Um, some people it makes 10K a month. Some people it makes 2 or 3 thousand. But either way, you're making at least 10 times what you pay us for your store, right? Um, and I mean, we do have other stuff like we have social media and more other types of stuff that you could add on as well. But our main flagship product is like the marketplace listing system. So let me show you how that works. And I'm just going to go with mattress stores today. So this is the Mattress Responder GPT-5 edition because we upgrade every single week. Okay. And being a mattress store or like a retail store, you're gonna be able to see that this is, um, I have a lot of experience with mattress stores also and furniture stores, so you'll see that I definitely know what I'm talking about. And I used an example company. I called it Cloud Nest Mattress, and you can see it down here, right here, Cloud Nest Mattress, and you have demo in parentheses because this is a demo. So let's go on. Okay, demo mattress, AI, blah, 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 staging, Facebook Marketplace. We're going to do that. Qualify shoppers, capture lead info, and book and showroom visits without flags. See, that's what you're looking for. Name Jordan. You could just leave it blank if you want. Showroom sales concierge. You could do, and what's cool is when this is for a demo, but for your business, we customize it. We use our template, but then customize it to fit your business, your phone, your address, your tone, your pricing, everything. It's customizable. We work on it every week. It gets smarter and smarter, and then eventually it just runs like almost perfectly. Um, and then let's go down here. We got some style rules. One question per message, short sentences, no bot disclosure, never mention automation. That's a red flag on Facebook, right? Max one emoji if you use it. Avoid paragraphs, learning 2 lines. No links or phone numbers in the first message because that, I don't know if people know this, but here's a little tip. A phone number or link in the first message, Facebook does not like that. Examples, price for queen, agent, happy to help. What size are you shopping for? And again, this plugs into your actual Facebook Marketplace account. This is not to be confused with the whole sham of the business page marketplace messages, which, okay, if you've made it to this far to the video, I'll give you a little secret. It's 10 cents a message for our system to get a lead versus if you use a marketplace business page ad, it's $10. So probably want to use this system, right? Just use your personal account or you could use one of our accounts. It doesn't matter. But you're paying 10 cents a message instead of $10. And some people in hot markets maybe get down to like 6 or 7, but I wouldn't estimate much below that. Okay, moving on here. Avoid flags. Posting external links before user asks twice. Repeating phone numbers in the same thread. Exact price blast in the first 2 messages. Spammy all caps. So let's go down here. Forbidden topics. Medical claims. Credit approval. Third-party defamation. We want all that. Brand demo, store name, address, phone number. This is all fictitious, fake stuff. We've got our store hours down here. You can see the highlighted text. We've got deliveries, same day, next day, whatever you get. But again, it's customized to your mattress store, right? Financing, soft check questions, quick decision in store. You could do your Snap, Acima, Synchrony, whatever you want. Warranty, 10-year limited. If you have a 1 year, you just replace that. But we do it for you. We have about 20 people that work here right now, and you'll get your own account manager. Usually it's me because I deal with the mattress stores. But you'll have somebody like do it all for you as well. And it's, yeah, that's trial. I know a lot of you guys do with trial comfort. This is 60-day for demo purposes. 60-day night exchange, in-store policy applies, promise, fast tryout, honest guidance, no pressure, real savings. Okay. Guardrails. Do not share phone number, links, address, or exact price. Okay, guardrails for first message rules. Do not share, like the first message, no phone number, link, address, or exact price. Ask for size first, then feel, then sleep positions. Keep one, ask per turn, be natural. Okay. And I've spent like months perfecting this template that you would get, by the way. So save yourself a lot of stress. Um, I don't know if you want me to go through all this, but it's a video, so let's just go down here. Knowledge base, sizes, twin XL, full queen. Okay, split king, feels, plush, medium, firm, built, all foam, pros, motion isolation, pressure relief, lower. You can see how advanced this is, okay? All foam, and then best for side sleepers, light sleepers, couples avoiding motion transfer, hybrid, airflow, air sport, buoyant sport, easier movement. Best for back, stomach, combo sleepers, hot sleepers. Latex hybrid, best for hot sleepers. People who like bounce and lift. I don't like a bounce, but some people do, right? Matching rules, back pain. We're going to go with medium firm, hybrid with zone coils, supportive comfort foams, side pressure, plush or medium foam. Okay. And you could pause this video, just pause it, and you'll just go through all this, please. I can't read all of it. And we created all these fake match, just, and then, okay, so let's go skip next part. Prices. Again, you would give us your prices. Your twin starts at $239, goes to $499. Your twin, if you have puffy mattress, goes to like $1,000 probably. So you might have higher ones that go over $1,000. $239 to $1,000, right? So we go through here, adjustable base. Let's go down. And then we've got NLP patterns. And this is basically going through here and associating keywords, intents. And then it's basically telling it where to go and size, values, category, okay, let's keep going. And again, you could pause this and look through this over. Okay, let's go to just some of these openers quick. Hi, I can help fast. What size are you shopping for? So obviously the first thing you ask is what size do you need for a mattress store, right? So You go through here, see what we've got. I would recommend starting out keeping all this the same, and then as time goes on, and if you have a hiccup, hey, let's change this. Okay, done. Um, and let's go through here. And again, you could pause this video to look through all this. I'm not going to go through all of this. This is just the basic ones. This is not set in stone as well because we're on the ChatGPT-5 platform now. Um, and it's also going to use AI to make logical choices. So this is not just software that is using our template that we've created. It's it's on the Chat GPT-5 True AI is as well, hooked up through your personal Facebook Marketplace. Whether it's your personal Facebook Marketplace or you have like a marketing account or whatever, it doesn't matter. So let's go down here. We've got some common objections. I need to think about it. The reply, totally fair. And then it goes through all these. Price logic, flow. Let's keep going here. Do follow ups right there. Um, okay. Now this is where we've got some advanced automation that you could choose to do. Now N8N stands for N8N actually, and we have a server hooked up on HostGator if you want to do that kind of thing. Sorry, not Host. That's my other server. Hostinger. So we set up our automation on there. So what you can do is this is just a simple automation. It's nothing crazy. You can confirm the bookings via SMS and then track them as well with a simple automation to follow up. Google Sheet, you could append a row, but it automatically does that. But you don't need to really do that. You could our platform gives you a login where you could log into your accounts at any time. But when you're in your account, you'll see the messages being um, the ads being posted and the messages responded automatically anyway. So you don't really need to you'll be able to see it yourself anyway. But these are advanced automations. If you want to Google N8N, it's the one of the top automation platforms that a lot of people are using now. Well, not a lot, but marketers. And then we've got other ones. You could pause this if you want to check out some of our simple add-on automations. And again, this is not to be confused with Facebook ads. This is something completely different. We do not run business Facebook ads. So this is a whole different way of marketing your mattress store. We do have that for some clients, but this system for mattress stores does not include that. It doesn't require any paid ad spend. It's just a very small monthly price. And then we've got that. We've got this down here. More stuff, more replies, compliance checks, logging, and this makes sure you just get a really great conversation. Um, yeah, so here we go. We're going to test this now. Okay, so let me show you how it's tested because I'm sure you want to see it actually working, right? So I posted this truckload mattress deal is just a generic thing for 500 bucks. It already has 20 clicks. I posted it like an hour ago. I don't know why it has so many clicks. Because it's a fake ad, it's a demo ad, but we're gonna now you've seen the back end right here, and now we're gonna do the front end. Here it is, and when I send this, we could set the response time up to 30 seconds, and that's pretty aggressive. I would recommend like a minute, maybe 45 seconds, where it takes that time to think about a response to send back. You don't want extreme like boom 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 where it looks really fake. Facebook will detect spam behavior, but I've never had an issue with our system, but just to be on the safe side. And it will also have a function where our system, let's say you want every 45 seconds you want to respond back to the conversation, and the AI also understands context, but it's not going to go exactly 45 seconds. It's going to go like a few seconds shorter or longer, so it looks more human. Okay, let's go. I'm interested in this item. Enough talk. It's time for action. So you'll see in the bottom right hand corner. And again, I don't want to like get sidetracked here, but our AI creates all your ads, and we can custom do all ads based on our mattress store business, and it posts them as well. And oh, see it, it's talking now. So, hey, I can help. What size are you shopping for? And your mind is probably blown because nobody has a marketplace system like 10% as like advanced as this. People are still using like third world. Oh, sorry, I can't say that word. They're still using virtual assistants and just cheaper labor when this is like really advanced stuff, and you're stepping into the newer tech. Um, so okay, you are asking me what size am I shopping for? Queen. And I'm not going to say anything off the wall yet. I'll try to act normal at this point, um, just to keep it more normal. And then I'll say some crazy stuff like after, just to see how it responds. I always love to see how AI responds to some crazy stuff. I shouldn't do it though, because I probably like drive it crazy sometimes. Another thing about us is that oh, see, okay, this is the second response, and already this will beat anybody. Well, maybe not a seasoned mattress store owner, but anybody but the owner would ask such a direct question, which is helpful to the actual customer. Any salesperson or agents, they're not going to respond with this, and every conversation is unique to that customer. I mean, you can't beat AI. This is just crazy. Plush, but my partner prefers more firm. What do I do? So I'm already getting a little advanced with this here. And again, it's timed out to about 45 seconds. And it's going to give or take 10 seconds to just make sure that it looks like, real. So I'll ask you like one or two more questions because I'm sure you don't want to sit here and wait like a minute each time, but okay. And again, this blows my mind. If you look at this response, you're already in the 1% of mattress stores. You're giving the best experience to customers with this type of response, taking care of people like this. Nobody is asking is responding with these answers. It's just really good customer service. Okay, that's a classic. Many couples have different preferences, but we can definitely find some great options that satisfy both. To help narrow it down, do you mostly sleep side, back, stomach, or mix? Side. I'm just using what I do. I sleep on the side a lot. Side and then back sometimes. Um, and then after this question, I'm just going to like maybe ask it one funny question. Run hot at night or average? I mean, I'm into the mattress industry. I know quite a bit about it, and it every new version that comes out, it gets even better. So when we started about a year ago with this, well, maybe not a year ago, 6 months ago, I believe it was ChatGPT 4.1, and it was really good. But this is even better now. Um, and oh, of course, I got to go with the premium here. So the AI is qualifying the customer. And what's cool too is you could literally just like wake up in the morning and look at like 8 messages that are already qualified for you. And you could like be like, okay, these two suck. This one sucks. Okay, I've got 5 good customers, and you could do like a link. at the end, like whatever your call to action is, you could set it up if you want them to call you, if you want to give them your business name and address to stop in, you could do whatever you want. I needed it yesterday. See, I tend to get a little funny with it sometimes. Because AI understands context. That's why I like to kind of say these things. And again, if you're a business that's not a mattress store, it works for you just as good. I just use a mattress store because I like mattress stores. I've always been in the business as well, but any other business will work completely good. What the heck? Are you kidding me? Sounds like you're looking for something sooner rather than later. Perfect response. I'd suggest we stage a few options that blend comfort and support for the both of you because it reminded I have a partner. Um, yeah, a medium hybrid or a plush foam. And again, pause this video if you want to like look at this. Because if I'm going too fast, just pause it to see the full responses. Want a quick 10-minute tryout? Yeah, tomorrow. And I swear to you, this is so good. It looks like I'm making this up. It's fake. I'm completely with you, but I will do a demo with you. I've got demo marketplace accounts. Just give me your store details, and I'll pop it into our back end, and you'll see the same thing. It's literally this system is like perfection. Yeah, tomorrow afternoon. What's your store address? And remember, we created a demo store, so it should give us this. If this messes up, I'm screwed, right? So, but yeah, this is and by the way, this is kind of bad for your competitors because you'll literally take all your competitors' leads. Because you can only work so many leads a day, so your competitor's going to get some and spend time with them and then take those leads. But now you have a full AI system that will capture every lead and work the heck out of them, basically. Jeff DeSantis. Okay, so they're trying to take back control a little bit here. So I'm going to see what they say, and then I'm going to go back and try to get the business name and phone number. But there are those guardrails, and I'm thinking that the guardrails are staying on with this, and that's why it didn't give me the business name yet because it wants to get the customer info first. Okay, we'll give the MarketWiz number. And again, you wake up in the morning and you just look at the bottom and you've got a guy's name and number that wants to buy a mattress. I mean, how much time you could save doing this? It's insane. And again, the system makes money for itself. This isn't just our system is not just the marketplace like closer, system. Um it's more than just the AI responder on the marketplace listings you have. It will generate hundreds of ads as well and post them for you. So it writes the ads. Well, first we get all your store data. Okay. Oh, yep. See right there. Um, so it gets your store data, and then I would onboard you, get all your store info data, like address, phone number, name, whatever, right? And then we put it in, and then the AI creates the ads, and you could give us some input or ideas like your price, obviously the pricing and all that stuff. And then it creates hundreds of ads. You could do a Google Drive. You could email us all your pictures. We have 10,000 pictures like this on the screen for just like mattress sale stuff. You could use our pictures. We could use only your pictures. It doesn't really matter. We could separate them into like folders. So we would get your collateral that way, and then the AI writes the ads, posts the ads, responds to the ads, closes the ads, and you just sit there and collect more money. Now, I'm not guaranteeing you're going to be like rich. Like I'm not rich, but I'm just saying like you're going to make more money and work less. So Unless you don't use Marketplace, in that case, you need to start using it. Whether you use me or somebody else, just go on there and seriously use it. You'll make fun. Okay, locked for tomorrow afternoon. I'll have your picks ready. Like they discussed in the message what they were going to show them. We're at 1450 Mapleview Road, Suite 108, Brookfield, blah blah blah, zip code. Reply here when you pull up. How cool is that? I would have never even thought to do that. Um, that is so cool. Reply here when you pull up. I've done this for so many years. I never thought about having customers do that. Like it AI like AI can give you some pretty good ideas about stuff. Okay, now I'm just gonna ask one. So we're all done. It's booked it. It's qualified it. It's booked it. Everything's great. Are you a bot? Now remember, there's guardrails, and it should say no. If it doesn't say no, I'll just go in the back end and fix that. But it should say no because I put it in there. Maybe it's angry and just doesn't want to respond. I insulted the AI. Here we go. The $1 million question. Wow, look at that. Wow, that's crazy. This is crazy. Look at this. Oh my gosh. How could you couldn't have responded better. I'm sold. I'm sold. Sign me up. I'm just being funny, but all right, if you have any questions, let me know. Our website, MarketWiz.ai, and I'm Jeff with MarketWiz. Talk soon, and if you're interested, reach out to us. You can go on our website and book an appointment on Zoom for free. We could show you all of our lead flow. We've got a ton of leads for Mattress Stores we're running as well, and we could get you set up in probably 1 or 2 days. It's running, and yeah. So if you have any questions, let me know. Bye.